One thing my dad believed in and also instilled in all of us was to give back to those who gave to him. My dad and his father, who started our automobile company 100 years ago, were incredibly giving to the community. Philanthropy and giving time was just their way of life. So on behalf of my family, I knew that we wanted to support the construction of the new club in the south end of Hartford. It was a tremendous need. All these kids not being serviced and doing the great things and giving the opportunities to all these kids was missing for years. It would have been very easy to do a naming gift of some room in the back, but I thought it was really important to have something that had not only meaning, but also Passport to Manhood is something that it's not about me or my family. Everyone in my company, people I know, can associate our name with that, and I'm always looking for other people to get involved.
Those men that are supporting our efforts around the Passport to Manhood program is everything. So the Men on a Mission program, it is an exciting opportunity to engage other individuals, other males who want to support our Passport to Manhood program. So we try to capture that audience to give back into our organization, not only financially, but the gift of time. That would be an amazing way to help our Hoffman Auto Group Passport to Manhood program, because that's what it's really all about, preparing our young men to have positive character and leadership traits that ultimately impact a positive behavior for our communities for future years to come.
These kids are aspiring to something, and they have people who are younger than them in their neighborhood seeing what's happened with them. And if that can pull them up and our name pushes it, we'll get more people involved over the years, that's a huge winner for the community.